Hi everyone, how are you all? It's been a while that I have posted any video, and you're all asking that why I'm not posting something, and it's so sweet, really so sweet. And it's nothing much that I'm not posting for some reason. It's like I'm not unable to make out time for it, and nothing else. And there are few questions that have been asked by some law students, some of viewers and my friends, and definitely I'll answer today. But before it, I want to share something. Last week, I think I got sick, and then I realized that health is very important, really. So make out time for your body, because if you will not, the nature itself will. So better exercise, meditate, or go for walk. No option. And the second thing is eat healthy. Healthy doesn't mean that you have to go for this diet or that. Just normal food cooked at home is healthy. And the third is think positive. You have to be positive for everything around you, and it's not possible to be positive all the time, you will say. But see, everybody is suffering something or other, but at least we can choose to smile. And the fourth thing is get sound sleep. Sound sleep means 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And lastly, I would say drink lots of water, like I do. Now come back to the questions. First question is, why did you choose this profession? See, there are 3 to 4 things you must see. Does it have any scope in future? Do you like it? Or does it have the possibility and capabilities that you will do it? If you have answer of these questions, I don't think you have to be in doubt. Be sure about it and go for it. Okay. And the second question is, how much do you earn as an advocate? So if you're a law student, I will not demotivate you answering this question. And definitely I'm not disclosing my income here. And the third question is, how is your practice going on in civil court? I would say even the bad days are good days. Even when it's tough and it's hard, I feel like it's really hard. I can't do it. I pick myself up, and it feels like okay the next day. And that was a learning. And every day is new experience, and that's what I'm enjoying the most. And the last question is, कितनी बड़ी advocate हो गई हो? See, okay, listen man, I believe I am, okay, and it's not arrogant. I'm self-assured and I don't need your validation. Once my senior explained to me, outside the court, you ask if you doubt. You show if it's correct or needs some correction. But the moment you are before the court, you're the best lawyer for your client. तो आप अपने client के लिए सबसे बड़े वकील हो. Okay? I hope I answered all your questions. Thank you.